Okay guys, I'm at the Osborne residence and I'm looking at a Carrier upflow 90% furnace. This is basically on a 2.5 ton drive with a 3 ton coil, and this is the coil, however, is an R22 refrigerant. So and the issue here is we're looking at considering doing something with the furnace. It has some pinholes in the heat exchanger. It's got some stress marks on it, which means the metal in the heat exchanger is brittle and subject to opening up a seam that would get carbon into the ductwork. So that's why we're looking at this. He's got a 16 by 25 by 1 filter on the right hand side, and here's his return. Goes up like so, and then it goes into your panning there at the top. So that is all panned there, going across there, and that's about a 30 by 9. Your top of your coil right here, your ductwork goes over and curves over, so it does have a throat, our aerodynamic turn there, and that's what you got going on there. And then it comes around and starts branching off. You have a 1-inch gas line that goes all the way down to a 3/4 hard pipe, 3/4 flex into the side of the furnace. So that's all good the way they did that. And there's your turn off valve. He's got a 3/4 inch drain line that goes kind of all the way around the room and goes over to a floor drain over here in front of the washer right there. He said he's never really had much of a problem with it. Just every now and then it has to blow it out. But if there's something that we can do to correct that, where he doesn't have any more of that issue, I would appreciate it if we'd look into that and run it with a condensate pump so that he doesn't have to fool with it. And just by John's earlier comment, he used to do a lot of work, and he doesn't really want to fool with all this anymore, and we need it done right and done properly. There's this electric, runs into the right hand side of the furnace, and then here's his PVC that runs into the left hand side of the furnace. That is a 1 pipe free draw. So that's how this furnace is hooked up right now. And questionable as to whether the what really caused the damage to the heat chamber. So both the 1 pipe and the coil that's on there now could be restrictive to this unit. So we've got very limited space from the top of the ceiling to the bottom of the ceiling, and when I was doing my paperwork a minute ago, let me read that to you. You've only got about 71 inches there total. So that's your height. That's what we're looking at, considering replacement on maybe the furnace and coil, and taking it from there. Thank you for watching.